Okay guys, welcome back to my channel again. Okay, my hair is wet right now because I just got bath. Okay, so let's start to unboxing okay, I'm going to okay, unbox the my first Rockport wedges shoes. Okay, my first Rockport wedges shoes from I bought from marketplace, online marketplace, Zalora. Okay, let's just open it. It's quite a long time. It takes like a 4 days. Okay, like 4 days to 5 days just to get to my home. So let's just open it. As always, I always do the unboxing video. Okay, let's just open it together with me. This is the first time Rockport shoes woman wages. Come on, why it's so hard to like just make it the way. Wait, yeah guys, I just don't want to like, because I don't want the box it's got broken, because if I want to exchange the size or return, I can claim it. Okay, so we just open it, and then ta-da, my Rockport woman shoes. Okay, Rockport, look at this. It's a navy, like a blue one. Blue, it's not navy, I think it's a blue color. Yes, it's blue color. Okay, let's just open it. Ta-da! And I got the bubble inside the box. Okay, this bubble. And then let me show it to you. Rockport, live in motion, and my this one. Oh, wait. This one, live in motion, and then Rockport again, and then this is the description for the size. Okay, the size, look at here. Okay, and then live in motion again, and this is Rockport, and then this one, and this is the one that I bought. Okay, like this. This is what is named Delaney Peasling. I don't know what Delaney Peasling. Sorry if I wrong, because I'm not a pure native. English is my second language, so yeah, I'm so sorry. Okay, this is Rockport. Okay, let's just open it. Taram. Woo. Taram. 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 Oh, before that, designed for style, engineered for comfort. Rockport established 1971. Wow. This is the Delaney. Ta-da! Oh. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, wow. Just put it. Ta-da! Wow. Let's just. Wow. I really like the wages. Yeah, it's not too high and it's not too low. That's very good wages. Okay, this one. Okay, this is a tan leather, tan color. Okay, so they have it. It's this one. Let's just put it. Okay, this one. Oh, you have this one. I don't know if you can see. I think you cannot see in the camera, because I will read it for you. The Rockport Group micro pack LDPE. I think, yeah, I just got the, what is this? Just stick it. So yeah, this one, the other, this one. Ta-dam! Okay, this is the name is Rockport True Take, and then you can see here there's a description, letter upper. I don't know what is this language. I think it's balanced man-made. Okay, synthetic, purely realistic. It's like sounds Italian or I don't know. Okay, so I just want to show to you about the details of these shoes. Okay, these shoes. Okay, like leaves. Okay, and then this is so nice. Rockport True Tag, and then the other one is like this, same, just got the same sticker, just same sticker. Okay guys, and then you can, oh, so when you wear it like this, actually you need to open it, the stripe. Ta-dam! So this is guys my first Rockport woman shoes. So it's hot, so hot in here. Okay, so yeah, okay, yeah, thank you very much, thank you very much. I want to try it but I cannot try it in this video. Okay, this is Rockport. Bye bye guys, thank you.